Alright. Done a bit more of the painting. Wide view. Turn around. I've been painting all morning, so I'm just having an hour off in the middle of this bloody fucking sun, man. Just blasting. It's just like I gotta chop this tree out and I gotta finish doing all this lawn. This end, I think, is pretty much done. I got a bit of groundworks to go, but there's a couple of bits in the middle here I've got to go over again. This side's the shady side, so I've actually worked on this first. The other side's just blistering hot. And then when I drag the container into place, which is about 3 meters back from the, a bit less than about 2 meters back from the front line. So the house, you got to set back 6 meters plus 600 mil for the eave, so you do 6.6 your first post. And so this thing is about 5 meters, the back side of it. So we'll run the house along the front of this, the other side of this thing. But I painted until dark the other night, and it got mildewy and it all ran on me. So I've got to do a third coat over this bastard. But anyway, and then I've got to do some groundworks. And got my first post in for the fence. I'm going to do some mowing, I think. Oh yeah, and I got the doors painted as well. So, they need a bit of another coat. I think I did a second coat on that door there, but this one still needs another coat. You still see how many kilos and shit. When I had a look on the roof, I got up on the roof before. Oh. So she's a bit rusty. So I'm going to get up with a grinder and just, with a flap disc on it, a sanding disc, and just go over all that. I've got that big low spot in the middle there. I'm going to get underneath and see if I can push it up with wedging some timbers up underneath it. She's not terrible. They've done a bit of a patch job here already, but I'm going to go home and just make sure there's no leaks and just stop trying to stop the rust from getting worse and stuff. $2.5 grand though, you know, so she's not terrible. Anyway, that's the shipping container. I don't know. That's what it is. Foggiest track. Andy Coleman out. It's Anzac Day coming up on Friday, so April 25, I think it is. 3 points of contact at all times on the ladder, people. Safety first. GG.